Is it really possible to draw a realistic house using just one point? Watch and see the power of one-point perspective with your own eyes.
First, I draw my horizon line and place the vanishing point. I quickly start the house drawing by sketching a rectangle. The entire house will be built step by step within this rectangle. I recommend watching without skipping to understand the process better.
I continue by defining the general outlines of the house and the height of each floor.
You can see that the vanishing lines converge toward the point. That's basically the main idea. All the lines of the building that extend forward must lead to this point.
For those who are new to the channel, welcome. Today, I want to talk a bit about one-point perspective. It's actually one of the simplest and most powerful ways to create depth in your drawings. All the lines that go forward in space meet at just one vanishing point, right here on the horizon line. Artists use this technique to make flat drawings look three-dimensional. You'll often see it in rooms, streets, or buildings viewed straight from the front. Basically, everything that goes into the distance heads toward that single point. Once you understand this simple rule, you can draw almost anything with realistic depth, even a modern house like this one. Now that we've completed the basic sketch of the house, we can add a bit of landscaping around it. Landscaping is one of the elements that really completes a house. The more balanced and well-placed it is, the more the house stands out. Since our house has sharp and angular lines, I'll use some round-shaped plants to soften that hardness and create a nice complementary effect. Now I'm moving on to refining my lines with the 0.2 Rapido pen. After that, I'll completely clean up the underlying pencil marks and continue. Now that the lines are clear, I can clean up the remaining pencil marks and move on to the texturing stage. While adding texture, The techniques I use most are hatching and cross-hatching. Since these techniques are well suited to technical pens, the results are always satisfying.
Thank you for watching. Your support means a lot to us. Goodbye.